driving down the road, what happened? Like a small particle of a stone, like a rubble, we can say, okay, flew towards me, and I was wearing my glasses at that time, so my eyes were protected. And at the end, I was hit by that stone. Like suddenly, it was at the night time, and I could have not seen that. So in that way, my glasses are protected at that time, even though I was like wearing it for the casual purpose.
Which kind of dresses do you like? Casual, formal, informal?
Sir, I think the likeness of my clothes is basically depending upon the comfortableness, like in which I am more comfortable. And there's also the secondary reason, if I have to go in a meeting or like the official, then I have to wear a suit or blazer and formal suits.
Okay. Do you think that personality development has a great relevance in today's time?
Yes, sir, of course. So personality development is like a crucial characteristic in the sales or in marketing or in anything that you want to like make. Yeah.
Ask questions if you want.
Okay, sir, I have a question.
Ask.
So, just tell us about gesture in the speaking matter. The gesture. When you
Gestures,
speak-
postures.
Gesture, body language
Yeah.
in speaking.
When you're speaking.
Okay, so I think from my point of view, or like from my opinion, I think the body gesture or the body language is very important, because as we can see, the politicians, like we can also see like Narendra Modi, he used to like wave his hand at certain moments or give the body language, like he would turn the shoulder that way and this way to give the more attractive or the commanding body language. So it influences his sentences a lot, because if just imagine that there's a politician and he is just standing like this and saying this and that, so it will get very lethargic. But on the other hand, if someone has like more of a positive energy or like more excitement, so he can do body language this and that, and it will also make you feel more excited.
So, this type of gesture perform in formal or informal manner.
I think it is not a relevant option, like we can use body language anywhere, everywhere.
Anywhere, everywhere. In an interview also.
Yes.
If you are performing, if you are
Basically, we use the body language while we are standing or walking, such as like many motivational speakers used to like walk here and there with the mic, and they often used to show their body language.
But in several interviews,
Yeah, but in the interviews, there's another situation. You have to like seated in the middle, like in the hot seat, and there are four other interviewers panels that are going to question you. So while sitting, you cannot show that much of a body language. It's better to like keep your.
You have to be very calm.
Yeah.
so when you are facing an interview, what is the mindset at that moment?
I haven't faced like the interviews, like except one. I will not call that an interview. I have not faced any interview. I hope I will. Face
Are you looking forward in future to face interviews?
Yes, I have to face it in the near future.